Gracias. Thank you. Arigato. 谢谢. Terima kasih. Shukriya. Dhanyabad. Spasiba. Teşekkür ederim. Madloba didi. Shukran. Grazie. 100 subscribers. For a lot of you, this may sound like a small number, but for me, it really means the world. Now, I'm in this studio right now, quote unquote, my working place, and I just wanted to take a second and acknowledge every single one of you that's taken the time to watch my videos, comment, like, post, everything, because I definitely would have not reached 100 subscribers without you. Now, again, I know this may sound like a small number, but I think it's important to celebrate milestones, and it's important to recognize the fact that sharing messages is important. Now, if you go back to, and I'm going to leave it somewhere here, if you go back to the first video ever that I posted on YouTube, I talked about having this conflict internally where I was scared about sharing my message, my experiences, my past, because I was afraid and ashamed of who I am. A lot of people call me weird, in many other ways, but that's not the point. The point is, it's taking work, it's taking time, and I am definitely aware that it is worth all the effort put into, and I know this is not an overnight thing. For me, this is about sharing the long-term journey, and I want you to be part of it. So, if you are watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe and you join me in this journey where I want to share to you how you can become a global citizen, how you can open bank accounts, businesses, and just use the entire world and the resources that the world has to offer in order to maximize your opportunities and to gain an unfair advantage in life. So yes, it's a little bit like being a nomad, but it's also more about how you can deepen and actually immerse yourself in every single country that you're in to be able to learn the language, learn the culture, network, find new business opportunities. So it's not exactly the same. It's not about traveling from country to country, but it's actually about maximizing your stay in every single one of them. Could be traveling slower, could be traveling faster. But I want to declare myself right now my next goal, which is going to be adding a 0 to the 100. Okay, so that means 1,000 subscribers next time. It's going to be an extra 0 to that 100. And hopefully, if you like this kind of videos, you want to be able to join and learn all about learning languages, how to become a global citizen, how to start a business overseas, how to run the business overseas, then this channel might just be the right for you. Okay, this is my commitment to you, to myself, and to the world. I'm reaching 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, if you have any suggestions, idea, things that you'd like me to talk about, maybe questions that you'd like me to answer, I would be happy to listen to you and to hear what you have to say. Reply that in a video, create a video in terms of that content that you want me to talk about. So all you have to do is leave a comment below and I'll get back to it. On the other side, I want to do something interesting, and that is, if you're watching this video right now when I have somewhere a little bit over 100 subscribers, I'm not there to the 1,000 yet, but you're watching this video right now, I want you to post a comment below and say first 100, okay? And here's what I'm going to do. When I reach the 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to come back to this video and I'm going to see from all the people that posted first 100, I'm going to find and select 5 people and give them a special gift. Unannounced, I haven't decided yet, but if you're looking to be one of those people, just comment first 100 below and maybe you'll get a gift. Who knows? Alright, so that's pretty much it for me. I just wanted to take a second and acknowledge you. Thank you for everything once again, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Adios.